Kayla Erickson. I am a first-year homeschool mom, and I absolutely love having my kids here at ClassSource. It has been a godsend, honestly. My son Hayden and my daughter Adeline right over there. And I decided that I wanted to lead a club. So I'm going to be leading the theater club this year. A little bit about me. I've taught pre-kindergarten for over, I would say, 7 years, and then I decided to go home and work for an online ESL company, English as a Second Language, so I teach grammar on the side, and decided to homeschool them. And my passion is theater. I love theater, musical theater, everything on stage, behind the stage. I love it. My earliest theater memory is the Phantom of the Opera when I was 4 years old, and I fell in love with Christine Daae, and I wanted to be her when I grew up. I have the hair and everything. So I was raised around the theater, and I was raised doing ballet. I sang on stage, and I've acted on stage. In high school, I learned what it takes to run behind the stage. So I've learned how to produce, stage direct, costumes, lighting, all of that. I danced, I sang on stage, I acted on stage, and I loved it. After high school and during college, I got in contact with a local film company, and I did some independent film locally. And I learned how to produce backstage. It's very different from on stage and on camera. And I even learned how to do that clapper thing, which I was really excited about. So the idea of this club is going to be your student is going to take the lead. I want them to use their own talent and their own creativity on stage. I am an introvert, but there's something about being on stage that just sets me free. I absolutely love it. Let's see. If your child wants to act on stage, that's great. If they want to write their own scripts and have the student perform it for them, that's even better. And I have heard on Tuesdays being here, some students in the back singing. I would love for them to join because I have some awesome ideas for that. We're going to hopefully do at least 2 showcases. And then depending on how many kids do get enrolled, we want to do a 1-act production at the end of the year. And also for film, we can probably do like YouTube content if that is something that the parent is comfortable with. And probably do some fun skits and throughout the year for the families and for the social media, for ClassSource social media. So if you have any questions, just let me know. My name is Kayla, and I hope to see your child behind the stage. Thank you.